If you are a 12th standard or an undergrad commerce student in India, I'm sure you're at that stage of life where you know that just your graduation is not going to be enough. You need to pursue some professional course alongside your graduation so that you can have a brilliant start in life. Now, वैसे तो इंडिया में बहुत सारे options हैं, and I'm sure you're probably confused of what to choose for. देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट्स रनिंग इन योर माइंड लाइक व्हाट इज द राइट डिग्री फॉर यू, कितना टाइम लगेगा खत्म करने में, क्या आप खत्म कर पाओगे कि नहीं, आपके लाइकिंग और एप्टीट्यूड से मैच होगा कि नहीं, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली जैसा आप जॉब चाहते हो वैसा आपको जॉब मिलेगा कि नहीं. आई एम हियर टू एड्रेस ऑल दोस कंसर्न्स टुडे. I'm going to introduce you to a very interesting qualification which is called the ACCA, which is at an all-time high in India. Now, there are some very interesting reasons why the ACCA qualification has become a student's and an employer's favorite in India. Stay tuned to the very end because I'm going to tell you what life as an ACCA is going to look like. Now, let's dive deep into ACCA. जैसे इंडिया में एक बॉडी है कॉल्ड ICAI, राइट, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया, उसी तरीके से यूके में एक इंस्टीट्यूट है कॉल्ड ACCA, एसोसिएशन ऑफ चार्टर्ड सर्टिफाइड अकाउंटेंट्स. Now, this professional body is a CA of the UK, but it's got students from more than 179 countries across the world doing ACCA. India एक बहुत बड़ा consumer है ACCA का for a very important reason. लास्ट 5 से 7 साल में ना इंडिया में बहुत सारी ग्लोबल कंपनीज आ गई हैं एंड दे हैव सेट अप समथिंग कॉल्ड एज ग्लोबल कैपेबिलिटी सेंटर्स, GCCs. Now these global capability centers employ a lot of Indian talent to work for companies across the world. Therefore they need a lot of globally skilled talent and that is why global qualifications का बहुत डिमांड है इंडिया पे, including the ACCA, right? Now ACCA आपको एक बहुत business finance pro बना देता है and that is why you can work in a host of profiles like accounting advisory, auditing, corporate finance, UK taxes, रिस्क, इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग. तो आप मिक्स ऑफ इस तरह के रोल्स कर सकते हो एट वेरी गुड सैलरी पैक्स. तो यू कैन लुक एट जॉब्स इन इंडिया, यू कुड इफ यू आर लुकिंग एट ट्रैवलिंग अब्रॉड, एसी से आपका पासपोर्ट बन जाता है टू गोइंग अब्रॉड. सो जॉब्स इन UK, UAE, सिंगापुर, दीज आर रियल हब्स वेयर अ लॉट ऑफ ACCA स्टूडेंट्स आर एम्प्लॉयड. अगर मैं इंडिया की बात करूँ तो अगर आप अपना ACCA 12th के बाद शुरू करते हो, यू कैन फिनिश योर ACCA in 2.5 to 3 years and by the time you're 20 you can actually get your first job. Now we have a lot of students जो ACCA खत्म करते हैं right with their graduation and at the age of 20 they back packages up to 6 lakh of rupees, which is very good to be honest because it is at least 30% more than what you would earn if you're a graduate. And आपके कोई भी दूसरे फ्रेंड्स जो दूसरे प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज परस्यू करें, किसी का कोर्स 20 ईयर्स में खत्म नहीं होता है. अब आप सोचिए आप चालू करते हैं विद अ पैकेज ऑफ अबाउट 6 lakhs at the age of 20 and you start gaining some experience, you start adding some more skills to your CVs. By the time you are let's say 23, 24, you can reach a band of 8 to 10 lakhs, which actually is a very good start because आपके दूसरे जो फ्रेंड्स अलग रूट से आ रहे हैं जैसे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, MBAs etc. also start there and then life is all about the way you perform. Okay, now let's talk about the syllabus structure and exams. Now ACCA में वैसे 3 levels होते हैं. As you can see on your screens, there is a knowledge level जिसमें 3 पेपर होते हैं, there is a skills level जिसमें 6 पेपर होते हैं and there is professional level जिसमें 4 पेपर होते हैं, 2 compulsory and 2 optional papers. और जैसे आप स्क्रीन्स पे देख रहे हो, पेपर्स आर अ मिक्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, ऑडिटिंग, कॉस्टिंग जिसको परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट कहा जाता है, स्ट्रैटेजी, लीडरशिप. तो इस तरह के आप सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ते हो. So ACCA exams are held 4 times a year, which is in the first week of March, June, September and December, right? All exams are completely online and you will exactly write the exam the way you would work. You're applying, you're thinking, you're having a very case study based approach in the exam. There are multiple choice questions, there are Excel sheet drop downs, there are Word documents that you will have to write in. So it's exactly like a workplace scenario. They are not testing rote learning, they are not testing memory, they are not testing handwriting. Okay, now interestingly ACCA gives you the flexibility to do one paper at a time. मतलब आप एक पेपर पढ़ाई करके मार्च में लिख सकते हो, फिर एक पेपर पढ़ाई करके जून में लिख सकते हो. उस तरीके से you can write one paper a quarter. So you can land up writing 4 papers in 1 year, 4 quarters of the year, and therefore 8 papers in a span of 2 to 2.5 years comfortably. ACCA exams on an average have a pass rate that exceeds 45 to 50%, so it's significantly higher than Indian exams, and that's why the exams are not easy, but they're student friendly and very doable. Now one last very good news for ACCA students in India. The ACCA professional body has tied up with a list of 80 plus central and state universities, जैसे Mumbai University, Delhi University and so on. Now if you are an undergrad student from any of these universities, then you can claim up to 5 exemptions. मतलब आपको 5 पेपर्स ACCA के नहीं लिखने हैं, which is paper 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Which means these students now need to write only 8 papers, which is 13 minus 5, and therefore they can complete the ACCA in a span of let's say 2.5 years. Now how can Synthesis Learning help you? Well, Synthesis Learning is a platinum approved learning provider for ACCA studies. Platinum approved is the highest rating given by ACCA to a learning provider for top-notch coaching quality. Our role is to counsel you, coach you, mentor you, and most importantly to help you get placed. So from the inception to your placements, we help you design the entire learning journey. So if you're somebody who's interested in starting ACCA, do write to us or do call us on the numbers flashing, and we're very happy to help.